1984 Cadillac Seville here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Originally a Texas vehicle. Now, as far as filler panels, get that out of the way right away here. You can see those are showing their age some if you're familiar with this body style. And those filler panels start to deteriorate. There's some on the rear too we'll get into in just a bit. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter diesel with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's take a look at the front grille, chrome headlight surrounds. If you want to check out the still pictures on this vehicle, you'll be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Take a look down the passenger side here. Technician did note that it does have a new battery, new belts, fresh oil change, and a new starter. You can see it's not full of dents, dings up and down that passenger side. It shows it was a Texas vehicle, no doubt about that, around the wheel wells, lower rockers. Interior, the saddle leather interior, I guess, if you will. Very stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. Paint on the top, showing its age a little bit there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see the filler panels in the rear also, again, showing their age some. Kind of deteriorate, would need to be replaced. And take your time looking through those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. A couple things I wanted to mention too. The hood struts could use some attention, as well as the trunk struts. And tech did note tranny mount and an engine mount will need attention. So we take a look down the driver's side. All right, of course, power seats, both sides on this particular one. Memory seating, power windows, power locks. Give you an idea how the material on the seating surfaces appears. Tilt and telescopic column. Power antenna does work. I did have the radio working also here.
The January 16th and February 20th.
All right. Odometer reads 67,267. I cannot confirm or deny that being actual due to the fact that once the vehicle is a certain age, that mileage is not recorded on the title anymore. But that is what the odometer is reading. There's no higher readings above that on the Carfax, FYI. Top of the dash looking good. Headliner. Slip around to the rear seat here. Let's run again. 5.7 liter diesel. Sounds as you'd expect. Let me go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop this hood. At least let you take a peek at the engine bay and then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. All right, got the prop rod in there so you can see the underside of the hood. And engine bay. Once again, power steering, power brakes, AC. Tech did note the AC would need to be converted. It's still the R12. (1984) Cadillac Seville. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the stow picks. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1984 Cadillac Seville. This one a little different. It is a diesel. And it's a very good running diesel. Our turn signal indicator is working. We've got digital readout for the amount of fuel in the tank and for the speed. That speedometer is going up, working as it should. This is an automatic on the column. Stereo is working.
Brakes Champion Auto has you covered. Plus, with cutting-edge diagnostics.
We do have a cassette player. I've only tested FM and that's working well. Leather split bench seat, very comfortable. Call it maybe a pillow top style seat. One of the most comfortable type of seats that there is. And we are missing a headliner, but the rest of the interior looks quite nice. I just turned on cruise control and we're cruising as we should. Cruise control is functioning. Nice smooth ride out of this Cadillac. As you can see, the weather is changing in Minnesota, but we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. Nice straight, stays in the lane, doesn't pull to either side, brakes smooth and brakes straight. Excellent power steering as you'd expect from Cadillac. You can feel a little extra torque, this being a diesel. Doesn't take much for RPMs to pull it down the road. Bring the whole family. That same style pillow top seating is in the back for extra comfort. A lot of power features, multi-position power seats. Great cruiser. Take a look at all the pictures of this 84 diesel Cadillac Seville at UniqueClassicCars.com.